Good morning.
Good morning.
Chuck and Paige, Klaus and Toon here.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. That is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
In Talat, Thailand. I think we're all packed up and ready to go, huh? All right. Anyway, very good place, very beautiful here. We are headed down to the ferry right now. It's Saturday, so it's going to get busy pretty fast. Thai people like to obviously travel during the weekends since they have to work. So yeah, going down there. They got 2 ferries running today. Once it exceeds 100 people, then we can't get on it. So we have to wait for the next one. So we're gonna, it doesn't leave till 11. And it's 9 now. So we got plenty of time. We just don't want to wait till the next ferry. Anyway, it's gonna be an awesome day. I hear this is some of the most beautiful beach in Thailand. I can't wait to get there, huh? 22 kilometers? We're off. Okay, from here, the Koh Kood Princess, we are going to park our truck, get tickets to go on the 90-minute ferry ride, and then we're going to go from here to the pier and wait, and they have supposedly shopping stuff, so you can buy snacks and beer and all this, but anyway, I'll get you a price on the ticket. Is that it? 350 baht. 350 baht per person. Truck is parked next to another one like it. Covered. Yeah. To park was 200 baht if you're coming with a vehicle. 200 baht to park, 350 baht to take the boat one way.
It's included everything.
Yeah, we're gonna we're waiting on a tour to get here so we can take those songtao. But I have a feeling it's a Chinese tour. It's a kilometer up the road here. Maybe we'll just walk. I got my walking shoes on. Left, 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 right, left, left, left.
A big tour bus there. I like Chinese tour. She said you can stop anywhere.
There's the ocean.
And then call her while you're waiting.
อร่อยขอบคุณครับ
โชคดีครับ I love Thailand. Just waiting for the bus. อร่อยแซ่บหลาย
แซ่บหลาย
Very good. I love Thailand. You just sit here and drink beer and people bring you food. Easy. Okay, we're off. Yay. The boat is full with 100 people, but it looks like Thai people, so that's good.
He said it's not like a high season yet. So
Yeah.
the
Oh shit, get my water in. we have air condition.
And hello. This is the captain.
Captain speaking.
Captain speaking.
Only for a moment, and the moment's gone. All my dreams pass before my eyes in curiosity.
We're here. Now we have to go get a taxi to get to the other side of the island. Okay, our taxi was here waiting for us. Okay. Okay, okay.
ครับเต็มออกครับเต็มออกโอเคนะครับ
Okay. ได้ครับพอดี
พอดีครับผม
มีเบียร์ไหมครับ
มีเบียร์ไหมอดใจรอ
โอเคพูดเล่นครับชอบวิสกี้มากกว่า ฮะ Yay Scared เล่นน้อยกลัว
ไม่เงิน
Here we go. All right, we got it. Oi.
มีแสง
Okay, slow down. Cup cha cha. This guy is hauling butt. If we get in an accident, it's going to take a long time for an ambulance to get here. Yeah, it says a up to you trip. I almost can't video and hold on at the same time. This guy is going fast. We took the slow boat and the speed truck.
อยู่บ้าน
All right. Okay.
We are small and we have 7-Eleven.
McDonald's.
ปกติก็ฟังเฟซเป็นเรื่องฟังติดเรื่อง
Solar.
เปลี่ยนสีไปอ่ะไงโรงเรียนมาไหมเฟซมาเรียนนี่ไหมครับ
Awesome. Pharmacy. Pharmacia. Okay, we're off-road now. Now it's an adventure.
เดี๋ยวแบกเองขอบคุณมากค่ะ
Yeah, my bag.
มันจะเจอมันจะเอียนรอก่อน
I have to go see about getting a room.
เดี๋ยว
แล้วมี
Hey, you.
Boat for the evening, but
ได้เป็นเสียใจด้วยนะแกคนมา
He likes your shoes. He likes Swedish meat too.
the young one.
เผื่อ
What do you think?
have to decide.
How much was this?
This one is 15 alive. No ตู้เย็น
Got one plug.
Yeah. 3S ห้อง
Wi-Fi?
Yeah. I don't know how good it is.
Did you get the code? This is it, guys. 1,500 baht a night. Nothing special in the room because everything special is out here. And that's what we're here for. Paige has a swing too. Okay. Okay. Beautiful, ain't it? Happy? Okay, they got their room right next to us. See what they think. Watch out. Watch out for that. What's wrong?
Thank you.
Come in.
Okay.
What number is that?
We're right here next to you.
14.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Where is the breakfast?
Right down here. You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Eat
King
and get some beer?
Where beer?
We got to take a small canoe ride.
Same restaurant.
Today we will drink beer, brother. Today we will have some beer.
Where are we going next?
Not beer, champagne.
Yeah.
Champagne.
Awesome. Okay. Oh shit, I almost died. I'm so happy right now. You don't even know it. Look at the sand. Look at the sand. Wow.
อ๋อเลยแบบ
Amazing. Oh my god.
อีจักรยานวะเนี่ย
Mm.
เนี่ย
Nobody. Just you and your camera, baby.
ไอ้ค่ะจ้ะ
You can do it with this first. Okay. Make sure you can see.
Thai chăm order.
คะแนนเคยเอาอะไร
Here's to the ocean. Here's to the beach. Here's to the island. Here's to Koh Kood.
Thailand beautiful
Cheers. For
Cheers,
the
guys.
racing pickup was good.
Yeah. We made it here alive. Look at that. How's it taste? How does island food taste? No good?
อะไรเชื่อมือดีแต่มิวสิกเราสหาย
Very good.
Pad Thai is good every time too.
Sometimes it's no good. I don't like the pad thai. Sometimes in Bangkok it's too sweet.
Yeah, too much sugar I put in.
Some people like it sweet. You know?
I eat this bread evening morning I eat coffee
Morning we have breakfast.
oh but I like coffee
Then you can eat coffee. Silent.
number one
We're gonna come back here and eat. The food and 3 beers was 450 baht, so not too bad. The bottle beers here are 75 baht, but it has to come from a boat.
small beer
Yeah, small beer. But they have Sangsom if you want to buy a bottle of whiskey.
small beautiful and bottle
Huh?
Doggy puppy
Manoi.
ôi anh xin thay của áo rồi
Okay, we're gonna go back to the room
dạ
and go swimming. Oi.
mình ba lên năm được rồi
Well, the water was beautiful. Tomorrow I'll take you guys inside the water. It's crystal clear. The sun went down though and it's a little chilly. But we're gonna go over to the restaurant here and have some dinner. Good?
Very good.
Beautiful here. Today's Saturday, so there's a few people here. Guys, that's it. We're gonna sit here and have a great evening with a wonderful dinner. Paige always gets the best plate, huh?
Oh, yeah.
And you ordered fish, just not here yet.
now coming
Tomorrow's gonna be a great day. We're gonna be staying at this resort for 3 nights. So yeah, I know we're gonna have fun tomorrow. Anyway, thank you guys for coming with us. Please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
bye
No money, no honey.
nobody knows